All right, welcome back, my dear student. So we are at the tasks controller here, and we are ready to roll. Now, before we go here, let's go to our create task view. Okay, this would be the form, and now we got to figure out how we're gonna get this ID right here. Right, we have the ID of the project. How are we gonna get that? So that's something that we got to think about. Now, I have an idea, and I mean, there are a couple ways of doing it, but this would be a very cool way of doing it. What I'm going to use is a class from CodeIgniter called URI. All right, you can go to CodeIgniter. As a matter of fact, I think I have it here somewhere open because I wanted to show you. We're gonna use this URI class. All right, and there's a whole bunch of functionalities here, right? But anyway, we're just gonna use one functionality called a segment, method segment, and we are going to be passing in a parameter to get the third or fourth or fifth, whatever parameter here from the URL. All right. So in our app, we know that, and when I say parameter, when it counts it counts a parameter after your base URL. So this would be the domain of our app, the homepage, right? And then after that would be a parameter 1, 2, and then 3. So now we can grab this with that class method segment. So let's go here to our create underscore task view, right? And this is where we play around with this. All right, so we do this, and then here what we got to do is use that class. So we say this URI segment, right? Hopefully I don't get it wrong. I don't have it in my screen anymore. I don't know. I have so many screens in one side that I don't know where it is. So for example, for example, task for project 8, project with ID 8, ID 8. There we go. Jeez. Create. This is actually not good. Let's put a forward slash there. All right, let's make sure we have a forward slash right here on the create underscore task, and let's go back here. There we go. Let's do it again. Task for project with ID 8, gibberish, create, create task online. All right, let's check it out. Hmm, I thought we did this already. We have not done that yet, so we can't actually submit it yet. So guys, sorry about that. We need to create this method. Let's do it right away. Paste it. The create task method. All right. Remember to bring in your data. Okay. So we're creating this task. Make sure that you also bring your project ID into it. Actually, no, we're just creating the data here because that project ID is right here, so we don't need that. All right. So this DB. All right. Then we're aware. Actually, not aware. I'm sorry. We just need an insert here. That's all. Insert and then data. About to get really interesting. All right. So this is just gonna be the label. I'm just gonna take the label out. We don't need it. We just need the data. All right. And this is gonna be the task due date. All right. Due date. You know what? We need a type here. I want to create a type of date. All right. All right. And let's check it out. Let's see how it looks first of all. Come back here. Then projects to create task. Oops, that's big. So let's make sure it's foreign input, not text area. All right. So foreign input. we also played around with the task model. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, and that's it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.